Dear students, hearty welcome to Vivekananda Institute of Management. This is a presentation on C Programming Introduction by Ambika Nula. In this slide, this consists of C Programming Syllabus Unit 1. Here it consists of overview of overview of C Programming, how to write the C Programming, and what's the introduction of C Programming, who introduced this C Programming, what is the importance of C Programming. Okay. Next, how to write the statements or instructions and how to write the code. This Unit 1 consists of all these components or topics. C programming language developed at AT&T Bell Laboratory located in USA. It is introduced in the year 1972. It was designed and developed by Dennis Ritchie. We can call Dennis Ritchie as a father of C programming and Charles Babbage as a father of computers. With the help of this C programming, many more languages nowadays, whatever we are using, object oriented languages, those languages introduced with the help of C programming. That much powerful C programming is, because it has a rich set of data types, it has a rich set of operators, many more things in a C programming. It is very simple to use and syntax is also not that much complicated, and it is very simple to use, simple to design the programs, simple to develop the application softwares. So C become a very powerful language. Previously, almost at the era of 2000, almost 95% of projects were developed by using the C language only. Nowadays they are moving to Python according to the market trends, according to the technology. They are moving to some other languages. Previously most of the software applications developed by using the C programming only. It is too simple language. It has a very simple protocols as well as a simple syntaxes. So programmer easily learn C. And what is a programming language? Next, a programming language is a formal language comprising a set of instructions that produce a various kinds of output. Simple thing, programming language is which communicates with the computer, which interacts with the computer. Actually, whatever the requirements we have, those requirements can be given in the form of instructions or code to the computer with the help of programming language. Programming languages developed by the programmer. Programming languages have codes like syntaxes. Next, it has a protocols, everything. A simple thing to say, which interacts to the computer, and it is a mediator between the programmer as well as a computer. Programming languages, we can call it programming languages, or of high level languages, we can call high level languages because user understandable languages. So we can simply say whatever instruction required, whatever the task we need to perform from the computer, we have to mention in the programming language as an instruction. Instruction. What does it mean by instruction? Instruction is an order or task given to a computer by a program. Who will give the instruction? Programmer will give the instruction. An instruction is an order or task. We are telling, actually we supposed to get some result, so we need a computer performance. Then we have to tell something to the computer, that is called as a task. Okay, we are telling some order to the computer, that is called as a task. Okay, an instruction is an order given to a computer by a program. That is nothing but the programming language. Okay, what is meant by program? Program is collection of instruction. Instruction is a task. Collection of tasks we can call as a program. Collection of tasks or collection of instructions or set of instruction that can be executed by a computer to perform some task. Next, language. What does it mean by language? Code which communicate with a computer, developed by the programmer. Programmer means users, operators of the computer who will write the code to the computer. Developers we can call. Actually, in general, to learn the English language, first we need to learn the alphabets. Later on, how to write the words. Need to learn the words, small words. Later on, how to frame the sentences. After that, the combination of sentences we used to form a paragraphs. Same thing here also. In AC programming language, first we have to learn the alphabets, that is A to small a to capital A to Z as well as small a to Z. Later on, digits 0 to 9, special symbols, that after that constants, variables, keywords. After that, by using all those things, how to write the instruction. Okay, how to write the instruction is already we knew about the instruction is a task given to the computer, that after that you have to write the program already we discussed. Program is a set of instructions. Okay, programming language are of two types: low level language, high level language. Simple thing, low level language is machine dependable language, or we can call assembly language. We can say machine understandable language is called as a low level language. Means machine can understand zeros and ones. We can call it as a binary also. Zero and ones, combination of zeros ones we can call as a low level language. Next is the assembly language. Assembly language is modified version of machine level language. It consists of mnemonics, English phrases like add, sum, move, read, load, and 001. Combination of English phrases and mnemonics we can call as a assembly language. Next, high level language. Simple thing to say is high level language. User understandable language is called as a high level language. Computer or machine understandable language is called as a low level language. Thank you.